Okay, so you are an influencer on YouTube, but you want to get your ideas into more audiences and different audiences. Well, have you considered using your YouTube transcript to post on places like Substack or Medium or Reddit or even on social media? If so, carry on watching this video. First thing you need to work out is how to get your YouTube transcript. It's very simple. You just got to go onto your YouTube content. You've got to select a video, click details, and then on the right hand side here, if you just click on subtitles, you'll see that this has all the subtitles for your video, which also works out as just a transcript for the video in question. If you get it, just select the whole thing and copy it, and then you can drop it into a document like this, labeling it YouTube transcript. Easy. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to develop an AI prompt by which to use this information. Here is one I've kindly done earlier, and it says this. It says, in reference to my article here, and I've copied a URL from an article I wrote for The Critic, and here there's another article I wrote. Turn this transcript into a 700-word article. And then you can see the transcript is highlighted here below, right? I can state here, include any facts where possible, linking to original sources, ensure to keep my tone, and aim to keep any direct quotes I have made intact. I've also said at the end, suggest also any catchy titles and subheadings that you think would help pique interest. Now, as far as a prompt goes, this is an incredibly elementary prompt. You can make prompts much more advanced than this. But look what happens when I take this whole prompt here and I stick it into an AI tool like ChatGPT. Let's see what happens. The pulsating dot of nothingness. Ah, we're off. As you can see, it's taken the content of my video and it's turned it into a written article. And at the end, it's given me some suggested titles. So instead of writing a whole new article, you can just now get your transcript and turn it into other articles. You can also adapt your prompt to include things like turn into social media post, or extract best quote and make into a Instagram artwork. A bunch of social media options, and I've also asked it to create artwork using the article, which thematically will link to whatever it is I was talking about on YouTube and then can post about on one of the other platforms, and I've even got something for Instagram. Although I may have to wait a whole year before that picture finally gets developed for me, and even then it may be naff. If you find this video or article helpful, then please take a moment to comment, like, subscribe, and tell people about the wonderful things that Boost Media Marketing are doing to get good information out further and further to the people who need to hear it. God bless.